Bam! It's me! Good morning, evening, and night, everybody! My name is Winterrey, and today we're in the Mudlands. The mud... I don't actually remember what it's called. What is that? Why is there a rift in time? You know what? I'm not even going to worry about it. I'm now going to worry about it. Oh! Oh! What is that? Why is there a... Got him. I missed. Aha. Ha 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 ha. Uh-oh. He didn't even touch me! Uh-oh. Please don't. Please don't. Oh, I don't want bugs on me. Oh! Oh! Okay, okay, okay! Okay, okay! Where did he come from? Oh, there's like bugs up here. How do I get the bugs off? Oh god. What are you? You're kind of cool. Oh. That's not really what I intended to do. Why did he spit on me? What? Get him. Did that feed him? Why am I covered in gunk? Surely there's nothing bad this way. Oh yeah. Oh, and the music change? Yeah, no, that's cool. No, that's actually what I wanted to listen to. Yeah, no, I trust this. I trust this totally. Making my way downtown, walking down, going fast because I catch bricks. Doodly doodly doo, this place looks spooky as cool. I don't know what that means, but I said it. I said it and I mean it. It's just gonna be locusts that... Okay. Maybe I need to go invisible real quick. I'm not sure what that music is. Yeah, no, this is cool. I was hoping for something like this. Yeah, no, totally. Yeah, I like this. What? Why are there... Hey. Hey. Why? I was invisible. Jeez Louise. Ho, 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 ho. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Go eat him. I said go eat him. What do you... Get it. No, the body, you stupid idiot. What? Are you kidding me? I offer you that sweet succulent meal, and you throw it in my face? This is ridiculous. This is gosh dang ridiculous. I need to... Okay. Oh, bruh. Not so foolish. Yeah, no, I'm sure this is cool. This is chill. I'm liking this. This seems awfully nice. I see something radiating that way. Is that a portal? Come here. Come here. I want your meat. Boy. Boy. No. Okay. What is that? What is that up there? Is that a portal? Ooh. Okay. How do I... Wait. It's not teleporting me. Oh. Ow, my bones! So that's just... Oh, wait. I didn't want to do that, Lamau. How do I get there? Oh, wait. I'm genius. Watch this. Nope. Float. Up. Oh. What's with the alternate dimensions here? You know what? I'm not gonna question it. I don't question a lot of things down yonder. I just know that I need to find the child. Come here. Maybe it's time I yonder my way invisible. Ooh, they don't even know. They literally have no idea. This is great. Oh, it's a toll. That's what I have stumbled upon. That's cool. Yeah. Oh. 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 Balls. Thank you. It's just you guys are being... What is that? Oh my god, what? What is that? No. No. No, actually. You know, I wouldn't know any better, but I feel like you're hunting me. And I feel like hunting an invisible enemy is a real bad idea. Idiot. Okay, my next theory is maybe if I'm covered in this glistening honey, they'll leave me alone, right? Yeah? And by glistening honey, I mean gross venom. And I cough because if you couldn't tell, I'm sick. Happens to the best of us. Or when you're an idiot and you get sick. But that's okay. That's okay. Oh, yes. Let me up. Wait, can I just keep going? Or is this a dead end? I'm an idiot. Oh god, it wore off. No. Are you?
Goodbye, gamer.
Uh-oh. Oh, whoa, what the? Okay. Don't touch the leech-looking thing. Don't do it. Don't do it, it goes bad for you, son. Also, don't try and explore places when your goop wears off. The locusts don't like it. I'm glad me covered in goop prevents locusts. I'd like to know the scientific theory for that. I mean, maybe that's why they leave the lizards alone themselves. Alright. No more locusts? Right? No more locusts. We're done with the whole locust thing, because I'm kind of out of guys who will goober me. Okay. Are you? Okay, I have a plan. Since I suspect I'd have to drag a skink or whatever they are along while he's hostile, that just really seems incredibly inconsistent. I have an easier plan. Well, easier in air quotes. Look at that. Food. Do you like it? Do you love it? I'm gonna presume that means you like it. I'm gonna get another one. You like it? Do you like it, boy? Do you want another one? How many do you take? How many scavengers does it take to get to the center of a... whatever, Bob? Oh. Hi, friend. I was just going back to feed you. Do you want to sleep with me? Yeah. Yes. Yes, you want a nap and not murder me? Yes! 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 Ah, good morning, Bungus. That's your name now. Bungus, hi Bungus. Hi Bungie. Hi Bungie. Oh my god, you're so cute!
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Bungus. Bungus, what's up? Bungus. What are you doing? What do you smell?
Plug.
Oh! You apply it for me? Oh! Guys, sometimes I'm so smart. I really could have just lured an angry one to follow me this whole time. But why not make a friend? Come on, Bungus. Come on. So you just dab me up? You just dab me up whenever? When I get low? I'm a little low. Could you dab me up? Oh my god, I love you! I love you, Bungus! Ha! That's amazing. He just knows. He just knows that I'm gonna die to locusts, and he's just like, bleh. Here you go, old friend. That's incredible. What an interesting mechanic, Bungus. Thank you. You held that a little long with that tongue action there. We need to work on that. Wait, Bungus can't climb. I can't take you with me, can I? Bungus. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What am I supposed to do about that? Bungus! I need you to follow me. Like this. Like so. You got that? You get that in your head? Because I'm going to die if you don't. I mean, invisible kind of works. Maybe? Kinda, sorta? For now. Okay, that didn't work, but there's this guy. Hi. Bingus. Bingus, I really need you to... Oh, you are coated in the poison. Poison him back! Bite him in the... Bite him in the knuckle. And he killed me. You can't coat me? Hit me with a little spit. Hit me with a little spittle. Come here. I'm glad you just wandered. No. Oh, you licked me? Okay. Well, I'm glad I got him to lick me in the heat of the moment while he was fighting to the death. I always believed in him. That's my poison wears off. Oh, that didn't work out. There she blows! Lick me. Lick me. Lick me! Yep. Yeah, you got a tongue. Now let me go. Let me go. Aha. Jeez Louise. Stupid Ed is what I'll call you. Stupid McStupid face. Something along those lines. Don't like that mechanic. Especially if you don't give easy access to get through it. That was pretty stupid. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep. Screw doing that again. Whoa. Oh. Pop that. I hear it. This is a cool area. Hello? Whoa. Ooh. Ho 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 ho. Okay. Okay, that's just sand. I didn't trust that. Okay. Interesting. Spooky as well. But what isn't spooky in the dunes? I'm gonna miss Gimbis. Well. Well, well, well. You've told me that before. It has been many. Numerous. Cycles. You could say that again. And yet here you are. You follow again. I do. I follow you. It is not normal. I'm a stalker. I'm a watcher. I am very likable, though. That's all you have to say. Well, now's a better time to finish up here, partner. What a good desert level. That took me way too long. I hope you have a good night. I hope you have a good evening. But if it's daytime, ooh, I hope flying locusts eat your knuckle.